So I said that this is killer. So हम लोगों ने कौन कौन सा देख लिया? हवाईयन, एंड देयर आफ्टर एंड वी आर गोइंग टू सी स्ट्रोम्बोलियन. अब हम लोग स्ट्रोम्बोलियन टाइप. टेल मी स्ट्रोम्बोलियन टाइप. It is along which oceanic convergence. Along oceanic convergence. Then I said that which magma? Andesitic with little granitic. अब आता है mode of eruption, central type. And it will be what? Little explosive. Yes or not? It is not explosive, but it is. या एक्सप्लोजिव भी लिख दोगे चलेगा, लेकिन यहां पर जो वोल्केनिक इरप्शन होता है ना, इट इज एन एग्जांपल. देखोगे तो ये रेगुलर इंटरवल पे हो रहा है. दिस वोल्केनिक इरप्शन इज हैपनिंग एट रेगुलर इंटरवल. आफ्टर सर्टेन इंटरवल दिस इरप्शन इज गोइंग ऑन. आप आज भी जाओगे तो चले जाओ सिसिली आइलैंड पर, and then you see that there is an eruption is going on. फिर कुछ देर के बाद फिर again the eruption will keep on. What is the role of a lighthouse along the coast? What is the role of lighthouse along the coast? Yes, yes, to give direction to the ship, guide to the ship कि किधर आना है, कहीं इधर नहीं चले जाओ. क्योंकि ship यदि if the ship is able to come in the shallow coast, they will what is it, collide and sink down. So they need to know which direction with the help of what? Lighthouse. और lighthouse क्या करता है? Gives light in the night, and this volcanic eruption will keep on giving light in the night. Can I say that it is a lighthouse of the meteors? It is a lighthouse of the Strombolian volcanic mountain eruption. Is a what? Lighthouse of the. It is a little explosive, and it is. And I said that regular interval at. Regular interval, and it is in a lighthouse of what? Mediterranean. Lighthouse of Mediterranean Sea. Understood it? Lighthouse of समझ में आ गया? एंड देन सम ऑफ द व्हाट इज एन आई सेड दैट एग्जांपल में क्या कोट करेंगे? ओशियानिक कन्वर्जेंट. कौन कौन से? वोल्केनिक माउंटेन, सम वोल्केनिक, नॉट ऑल, सम वोल्केनिक माउंटेन, along oceanic convergent. Not all, only some I am talking about. क्योंकि पिलियन जो है वोल्केनिक ऐसा नहीं ओशियानिक है. Understood it? Killer? This is killer. Shall I move ahead? स्ट्रोम्बोलियन. आप लोग वोल्केनियन के लिए डिस्क्राइब कर सकते हैं? टेल मी क्या होगा? Volcanian will be what? First, oceanic, continental. Second, yes, granitic. Central type, explosive. And examples, Andes, Rockies, all along the ocean continental. समझ में आ गया? So I said that. So next one I said that. Vulcanian. और यदि आप ज्योग्राफी को देखोगे तो ज्योग्राफी हैज बीन, फिजिकल ज्योग्राफी हैज बीन ओरिजिनेटेड फ्रॉम दिस रीजन. इन द यूरोपियन दिस रीजन, क्योंकि यहां पर आपको रिवर्स आर मूविंग लाइक दिस, वोल्केनिक इरप्शंस आर देयर इन द रोमन एम्पायर एंड देयर आफ्टर दिस इन फिजिकल ज्योग्राफी हैज गॉट द बर्थ इन दिस रीजन. And the geography started growing, Romans, Greeks and all. So I said that Shall I remove? Sorry, Vulcanian type. And Vulcanian type में क्या बोलूंगा मैं? और यहीं पे Vesuvius भी है, Vesuvius mountain. And जो volcano word आया इसी से आया, this mountain से, volcanic mountain से, in the Naples near. So Vulcanian is near Naples, or the Strombolian is in the Sicily island. So it is which? Oceanic continental convergent. Second I said that it is granitic. Next one it is central type, and granitic means coming from shallow depth. ये depth वगैरह जरूर mention करना. Examiner will be happy with this. And then it is I said that central type. Yes. और क्या मैंने बोला? Explosive. Volcanic eruption. And examples? Yes. Most of the volcanic eruption along ocean continental, especially along the Andes and Rockies. Andes and Rockies. Understood it? Oceanic continental convergence near Naples in Italy. How many years ago Alp has been formed? Around 50 million years ago, 40 to 50. And Himalaya has been also formed in the same period around we started. Shall I? What is the meaning of next one? I said that pillion type. Which one I said that? Pillion type. And pillion type के लिए क्या है? Picture देखा था आपने. Yes. This one. Pillion type. Pillion type volcanic eruption. It is the second most disastrous, and in the world they are forming along. In the world they are forming along, and perhaps you remember formation of Caribbean island. And Caribbean island का formation कब हुआ है? Island जब भी बनता है ocean convergence. Understood it? And along this is in a what? Caribbean island. And this one, इसके अंदर में क्या हुआ? North American plate has been subducted below the North American oceanic plate, and this is a Caribbean oceanic plate. And when it has been subducted, so what we have seen? This is I said South America. इससे थोड़ा attached है. This is I said. And here we have what? Denser North American oceanic plate compared to this, and this section is what? Caribbean oceanic plate. And when it is going down, so there is a formation of what I said that? Andesitic and andesitic and granitic. दोनों mixture है यहाँ पे. And this way there is an island has been formed. Which one has been? और इसमें andesitic with little granitic नहीं है, इसमें andesitic with good amount of granitic. क्या? But at the same time they have what? Good amount of, इस case में ध्यान में रखिएगा यहाँ पर good amount of water is also there. Gaseous pressure is there, but amount of water is giving the gaseous pressure. So it is not able to convert into explosive. If there is a water, as I said that लेकिन अदर गैसेस आर देयर, क्योंकि वाटर को थोड़ा सा भी ठंडापन कहीं भी कुछ मिला, प्रेशर मिला, तो वाटर में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा. वेपर कैन कन्वर्ट इनटू वाटर व्हेन देयर इज एन प्रेशराइज्ड. Anything if it is pressurized, then the water vapor molecules come together, and come together means become what? Water. What is the difference between gas and water? Yes, tell me. Difference between gas and water means what? In the gas, molecules are far apart. In the liquid, molecules are what? Closer. So the pressure मिलेगा तो water vapor भी किस में convert हो जाएगा? चाहे temperature कितना भी हो, it will remain in the form of what? Liquid. So ध्यान से then कहां पे बन रहा है? This is a pillion type I am talking about. Pillion type. And where it is forming? Oceanic convergent. Where it is forming? And which magma? What is the magma? Andesitic plus granitic. Clear? Which kind of it? Mode of eruption? Central type. And explosion में? Explosive होगा. I am not going to, I said that, but second most disastrous. Highly explosive तो नहीं बोलूंगा. Yes or not? It is an explosive. I said that it is an explosive volcanic. High explosive बोलूंगा मैं. Explosion का मतलब that should be what? Central type. And then it is an explosive with lahar. Mud flow. What I said that? लहर बनेगा. पानी के साथ क्या बनाएगा? Yes, tell me. लहर. And understood it? And इसकी वजह से if you are able to see that there is a what? और पानी बाद में ऊपर आने के बाद गर्म पानी किसमें कन्वर्ट हो रहा है? Cloud. Water vapor converting into cloud. And there is a lahar is forming. Understood it? And it is in a fast flowing. Water has made it what? Highly viscous and fast flowing. And mud is also involved. जब पानी रहेगा, the mud will also involve mud flow and garam mud and all. हमारे ऊपर से 100 डिग्री 150 डिग्री का पानी निकल जाए तो क्या होगा? साथ में मड होगा. That time we will. हाँ? यहां पर जब भी रहेगा तो लिटिल, जब भी लेसर डेप्थ है, देखिए ना लेसर डेप्थ है, तो कुछ यहां से आएगा, कुछ यहां से आएगा. सो लिटिल देयर विल बी एंडेसाइटिक एंड सम ग्रेनाइटिक. इट इज नॉट नेसेसरी, क्योंकि प्लेट ऐसे जाता है ना, एंड देयर इज अ रिलीज ऑफ प्रेशर. द रिलीज ऑफ प्रेशर कैन बी हियर. तो ग्रेनाइटिक भी हो सकता है, और इस केस में एंडेसाइटिक है. एंडेसाइटिक विद ग्रेनाइटिक, क्योंकि मैं ओशियानिक कन्वर्जेंस में बताता हूं ग्रेनाइटिक with little andesitic, ऐसा ना. लेकिन यहां पर स्पेशली बता रहा हूं कि ये केस स्पेशल केस है. लहर नहीं तो जितना जापान है सब में लहर होता. जापान हैज बीन फॉर्म्ड अल्यूशन आइलैंड, क्यूराइल आइलैंड, ओशियानिक कन्वर्जेंस ना. यस. सो मुझे क्या कहना पड़ता है? सभी जगह लहर है. जब भी वोल्केनिक इरप्शन था सब मत. लेकिन आप वन ऑफ द वोल्केनिक इरप्शन इफ यू सी इन द मनीला, फिलीपींस में मनाली बोल, वहां पे this kind of incident has been taken few years back. Maybe I said that 10-15 years ago. And then एक और अभी 6-7 साल हुआ होगा. The people are vacating their cities and all. Because volcanic eruption, the lavas are coming towards the urban areas and all rural areas they're approaching. Understood? So explosive. Understood? And there are very few examples like this. And ये जो example है प्लेन कहाँ पे? मार्टिनिकी island of Caribbean Sea. In 1902 eruption and 29,000 people died. In 1902 eruption took place. And how many people died? Yes, 29,000. Clear? Yes? नहीं, अब ये जरूरी नहीं है, अब उसके ऊपर कितना मैग्मा आ रहा है कई दिन का तो नहीं कह सकता, लेकिन 2, 4, 5, 6 दिन जितना प्रेशर बना रहेगा इट विल कीप ऑन कमिंग. पीपल विल थिंक ऑफ स्टॉपिंग इट, क्योंकि हम लोग अंदर का तो ज्यादा जानते नहीं है ना. अंडरस्टूड? क्योंकि जब मैग्मा निकलता है, मैग्मा को देखकर हम लोग बोलते हैं अच्छा इसमें इतना है, इसमें ये है. आफ्टर दैट वी फाइंड आउट. नेक्स्ट वन इज द वर्ल्ड मोस्ट एक्सप्लोसिव Plinian type. Which one I said that? And it's simply along the what I said that oceanic. जैसे मैंने अभी बताया था volcanian, oceanic continental. तो उसमें बोला था कि most of the volcanic eruption in the Andes and Rockies are like this. Yes or no? But some are what? Highly explosive if there is a high amount of gas content, gaseous pressure. Yes or no? So I said that along the ocean continental convergence it can be, or it can be oceanic and oceanic. It can be under the oceanic and oceanic, and it can be ocean continental. It depends upon the gaseous pressure. Yes or not? क्योंकि oceanic में मैंने क्या बताया? Granitic magma. But special case है जो मैंने अभी बताया था in the Caribbean, मार्टिनिकी आइलैंड के लिए, जिसमें more of this type. So this example, one is this example. So there is what it is a gaseous pressure. This granitic magma will come high explosion, and then pyroclastic material will go till the what? Troposphere.